Good morning to all. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are studying electrolytic cell. Yesterday we have seen EMF series and its application. Now today we are discussing about electrolytic cell. Now first we see what is meant by electrolytic cell. So a cell which convert electrical energy into chemical energy is called as electrolytic cell. Very simple definition. That is a cell which converts electrical energy into chemical energy. Remember that electrolytic cell में क्या होता है? Electrical energy convert होती है किसमें? Chemical energy में. That cell is called as electrolytic cell. So a cell which convert electrical energy into chemical energy is called as electrolytic cell. Example, that is electrolysis of fused or molten sodium chloride. So molten sodium chloride, that is NaCl, can be subjected to electrolysis with the help of an electrolytic cell as illustrated below. So this is the diagram of that is electrolytic cell. So how is the construction? It consists of a vessel. This is the vessel. It consists of a vessel containing fused or molten sodium chloride solution. And it consists of a vessel containing fused or molten sodium chloride solution. यानी इसमें क्या है? It consists of a vessel और इस vessel में क्या है? Molten और fused यानी पिघला हुआ सोडियम क्लोराइड का solution है. Now, two electrodes are deep in this molten sodium chloride solution. दो इलेक्ट्रोड इसमें डीप किए हैं. This is one is anode, another is the cathode. So two electrodes are deep in this molten sodium chloride solution. One is cathode and another is anode. Now along these two electrodes, a battery is connected for supplying the current. So this is the construction of electrolytic cell. Very simple. It consists of a vessel. इसमें एक vessel है. इस vessel में क्या है? Fused sodium chloride और molten sodium chloride solution है. इसमें दो electrode deep किए हैं. One is cathode, another is anode. Now across these two electrodes, that is a battery is connected. Now here two inert electrodes are deep into molten sodium chloride, which contain dissociated Na plus cation and Cl minus ion. That is sodium chloride का जब dissociation होगा तो क्या form होंगे? Ions form होंगे. Na plus, that is sodium ion, that is positive ions are there, so they are called cation. And Cl minus, the negative ions are there, so they are called anion. When an electric current is passed into the circuit, the cathode becomes rich in electron and develops a negative charge. The positively charged sodium cation are now attracted towards the negatively charged cathode. This results in the formation of metallic sodium at the cathode. See here, that is when electrolysis of this fused or molten sodium chloride takes place, ions are produced in this solution. Ions form होंगे Na plus और Cl minus. Now here cathode क्या है, ये negative है और anode यहाँ पर क्या है, positive है. So what will happen? That is these ions move towards the opposite electrode. Sodium क्या है, Na plus, they are attracted towards the cathode by, that is gaining the electron, by gaining the electron. So here that is a sodium क्या होगा, cathode की तरफ attract होगा by gaining the electron, and Cl minus they lose the electron and they attracted towards the, that is positive electrode, that is anode, and here that is chlorine gas is liberated. Cl minus, it is converted into Cl by losing the electron, and it is converted into, that is Cl, and Cl plus Cl later on they are converted into chlorine gas. That can be described here. Simultaneously, the chlorine atom are attracted to the positively charged cathode. This result in the formation of chlorine gas at the anode, which is a component by liberation of 2 electrons, finishing the circuit. So that can be explained how reactions are takes place here. So the associated chemical equation can be given as reaction at cathode. See, at cathode here, that is reduction takes place. Sodium ion, they accept the electron. Sodium ion, they accept electron and converted into, that is the sodium solid, Na solid, and sodium is deposited at cathode. That at cathode reduction takes place. At cathode reduction takes place, that is the sodium ion. Sodium ion, they accept the electron and they are converted into, that is Na plus. So that can be shown by using the reaction here. That is reaction at cathode. Cathode पर क्या होता है, reduction होता है. Reduction means what? Gain of electron. So Na plus, sodium ion जो solution में present है, वो क्या करते हैं, electron accept करते हैं और it is converted into sodium. So for balancing I have multiplied by 2 here for balancing, because chlorine gas is liberated. Chlorine में 2 chlorine molecule हैं और एक chlorine molecule एक electron lose करता है. Now reaction at anode. Reaction at anode. Now chlorine ion, they at anode, that is oxidation takes place. Here chlorine ion, they attracted towards the negative anode and they are converted into chlorine. So by losing the electron, and oxidation takes place at anode. That can be shown here. That is at anode oxidation takes place. Chloride ion, they lose the electron and they convert into Cl. Now if we take here 2 chloride ion, Cl plus Cl, that is they are converted into chlorine gas. So at anode, that is chlorine gas is, that is liberated, and at cathode sodium is deposited at, that is the cathode. And if we see the net reaction or whole reaction, these 2 electron and these, if you multiply this 2 by this electron, this 2 electron and 2 electron get cancelled and it is converted into, that is twice NaCl. It gives twice Na plus Cl2. Twice Na plus Cl2, it gives twice NaCl. So this is the net reaction. So this is the electrolytic cell. Very simple construction. Electrolytic cell में क्या होता है, chemical electrical energy chemical energy में convert. Remember this point. Objective में question आता है, in electrolytic cell dash energy is converted into dash. Electrical energy chemical energy में, या chemical energy electrical energy में, या और other option जो है दे सकते हैं. So remember that. Or that at cathode, that is a reduction takes place, and at anode, that is the oxidation takes place. Now the second cell is galvanic cell, or it is also called as simple voltaic cell, or they are also called as electrochemical cell. That is also important. अब जो इलेक्ट्रोलाइटिक सेल देखा है आपने, उसके अपोजिट है ये गैल्वेनिक सेल और सिंपल वोल्टाइक सेल और इलेक्ट्रोकेमिकल सेल. सो व्हाट इज द सेल विच कन्वर्ट केमिकल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. देखिए प्रीवियस जो सेल था उसमें क्या था, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कन्वर्ट हो रही थी केमिकल एनर्जी में. अब यहाँ पर उसके अपोजिट है ये, हियर द सेल विच कन्वर्ट केमिकल एनर्जी इनटू इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. इसमें क्या होता है, केमिकल एनर्जी इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट होती है. सो द सेल विच कन्वर्ट केमिकल एनर्जी into electrical energy and vice versa is called as electrochemical cell. So electrochemical cell या galvanic cell या simple voltaic cell, इसमें remember that chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. आपको एग्जामिनेशन में ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्वेश्चन आ सकता है कि इन galvanic cell dash dash electrical energy converted into chemical energy or chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So remember that in galvanic cell chemical energy is converted into, that is, electrical energy. Now example is Daniell cell. You have seen in 12th also, that is a Daniell cell we have studied. So Daniell cell, we see the in detail about the Daniell cell. So what is the principle of Daniell cell? That is, principle means which energy is converted into which energy. So कौन सी एनर्जी कन्वर्ट होती है इसमें, केमिकल एनर्जी किसमें कन्वर्ट होती है, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. So it is a chemical cell which spontaneously convert chemical energy into electrical energy. इसमें जो है chemical energy is converted into electrical energy. So this is the principle. Now next is the construction of Daniell cell. Construction of Daniell cell, very simple construction is there. So it consists of, that is, two beaker. ये दो beaker है. It consists of two beaker containing zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution respectively. So it दो बीकर लिए गए हैं. वन बीकर में जिंक सल्फेट का सॉल्यूशन है जो डायग्राम में बताया गया है, एंड इन सेकंड बीकर कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इज टेकन. So it consists of two beaker or vessel containing zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution respectively. Now next, zinc rod which act as anode. Zinc rod which act as anode is deep in zinc sulfate solution. यानी जिंक रॉड जस्ट की स्लॉग जो है जिंक सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में डीप की गई है, और यहाँ पे which act as, that is the anode. Now copper rod, that is copper की स्लॉग, that is deep in copper sulfate solution. That is copper rod deep in copper sulfate solution. Now these two, that is electrode, anode and cathode, they are separated by, externally connected by a galvanometer, voltmeter or galvanometer. Now these two solutions are internally separated by using, this is the salt bridge. We have seen this is the salt bridge, U-shaped tube होती है, and it contain, that is agar-agar solution like KNO3 या KCl वगैरह, salt bridge. So salt bridge में कौन सा solution होता है, ये भी आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव में आ सकता है. Salt bridge contain, here we have taken KCl solution, some type KNO3 potassium nitrate solution also taken. So it here, this is the salt bridge. Or what is the salt bridge? What is the function of salt bridge? That is to avoid the excessive mixing of the two solution. ये zinc sulfate और copper sulfate, ये दोनों solution को ये मिलने नहीं देता. So that is the function of salt bridge. So this is the construction of, that is, Daniell cell. Very simple. That is, it consists of two vessel or two beaker containing zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution respectively. Zinc rod is deep in zinc sulfate solution which act as anode, and आपको मालूम है anode पर oxidation होता है. Now copper rod deep in copper sulfate solution, this is the copper rod which is deep in copper sulfate solution and which act as a cathode, and आपको मालूम है, we have seen, that is at cathode, that is reduction takes place. Now these two electrodes are connected by using galvanometer, or that is the voltmeter, एक्सटर्नली किससे कनेक्ट किए हैं, वोल्टमीटर से, और इंटरनली किससे कनेक्ट किए हैं, दैट इज a salt bridge is kept here between these two solutions, which avoid the excessive mixing of these solutions. So these two solutions or two electrodes are internally connected by using the salt bridge, which avoid the excessive mixing of the two solutions. Next. So that is construction. I have already explained. It consists of two half cell. One half cell consists of 1 molar aqueous solution of zinc sulfate. Remember that the concentration of this zinc sulfate is 1 molar, placed in a beaker inside with a zinc rod. Zinc rod emerge किए हैं. The other half cell consists of 1 molar aqueous solution of copper sulfate. दूसरे beaker में 1 molar copper sulfate solution है, placed in a beaker inside which a copper rod is deep or emerged. और कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में कॉपर रॉड हमने डीप किए हैं. द टू सॉल्यूशन एक्सटर्नली आर इन कांटेक्ट विथ ए मेटालिक वायर व्हाइल इंटरनली आर इन कांटेक्ट बाय मींस ऑफ ए KCl salt bridge as shown in figure. So already we have explained that construction. Now next is the working. Now the Daniell cell with salt bridge work as soon as the salt bridge is introduced in the circuit. जब वोल्टमीटर और सॉल्ट ब्रिज आप सर्किट में या डायग्राम में दो बीकर में प्लेस करेंगे तो क्या होता है, सेल वर्किंग करना शुरू हो जाता है. द Daniell सेल विथ सॉल्ट ब्रिज वर्क एज सून एज द सॉल्ट ब्रिज इज इंट्रोड्यूस इनटू द सर्किट. द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो फ्रॉम जिंक टू कॉपर. देखिए इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो फ्रॉम जिंक टू कॉपर. इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है कहां से कहां ट्रांसफर हो रहे हैं, दैट इज electron flow from zinc to copper. Now at zinc, that is this zinc rod act as anode. Here oxidation takes place, and oxidation means what? Loss of electron. So the electron flow from zinc to copper and is indicated by deflection in the galvanometer placed in the circuit. Zinc to copper की तरफ क्या होगा, electron flow होगा, और that can be shown by द डिफ्लेक्शन, यानी हटाव होगा. इसमें देखिए ये जो गैल्वेनोमीटर है या वोल्टमीटर है, इसमें जो नीडल है, इसमें ये नीडल अगर इसमें डिफ्लेक्शन हो रहा है, हटाव हो रहा है, हिल रहा है, ये दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर पास हियर, दैट इज फ्रॉम जिंक टू कॉपर. सो दिस इज द वोल्टमीटर एंड ये जो नीडल है इसमें सेंटर में, सो इसमें क्या होगा, डिफ्लेक्शन होगा, हटाव होगा. सो दैट इज, अगर आप दैट इज गैल्वेनोमीटर और वोल्टमीटर शोज डिफ्लेक्शन, that is we can say that electrons are passed from zinc to copper. So the electron flow from zinc to copper and is indicated by deflection in the galvanometer placed in the circuit. Now zinc dissolve at one electrode to form Zn+2 ion, leaving behind the electron. यानी क्या होता है, जिंक का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, जिंक का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. That means zinc rod loses the electron and it is converted into Zn+2 ion, and here electrons are lost, so it is called as process of, that is the reduction. Zinc का यहाँ पर क्या होता है, ऑक्सीडेशन होता है, and it can be denoted by this reaction. As a result, it becomes negatively charged and act as negative electrode, that is the anode. हमने रूल में भी देखे हैं, that is a negative electrode क्या है, anode है, and which is written on the left hand side, and here oxidation takes place. So the reaction at anode, that is oxidation reaction, can be denoted by this, that is zinc, this is the solid, it is converted into Zn+2 aqueous plus 2 electron. As electrons are lost here, electrons are removed here, so it is a process of ऑक्सीडेशन, यानी जिंक का ऑक्सीडेशन होता है. देखिए जब जिंक ने इलेक्ट्रॉन खोया है तो क्या होगा, these electrons are transferred, travel from, that is zinc to copper. वो जो आपने गैल्वेनोमीटर अटैच किए हैं उसके थ्रू क्या होता है, इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्लो होगा, और दे कम इन द, that is copper sulfate solution. So see here, that is when ऑक्सीडेशन ऑफ जिंक टेक्स प्लेस, जब ये जिंक ऑक्सीडेशन होगा तो जिंक किसमें कन्वर्ट होगा, Zn+2 आयन में. अंडरस्टैंड? सो these by losing the electron, zinc is converted to Zn+2 ion by losing 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन. अब ये इलेक्ट्रॉन देखिए ट्रांसफर होगा और ये क्या होगा, कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में आएगा. अब इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस जारी है तो कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में कौन से आयन रहेंगे, which ions are present in copper sulfate solution, Cu+2 ion, Cu+2 ion, and these electrons are accepted by Cu+2 ion. जिंक ने जो इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज किया था वो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या होंगे, ट्रैवल होंगे गैल्वेनोमीटर थ्रू और वो क्या है, कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में आएंगे. कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में क्या होगा, Cu++ आयन रहेंगे, and these electrons that is accepted by Cu++ ion in the solution and converted into that is copper, and here electrons are gained, so it is the process of reduction that can be explained here. So the electron travel from zinc to copper through the metallic wire and are accepted by Cu+2 ion. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है, जिंक टू, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन जिंक ने लूज किया था वो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या है, ट्रांसफर होंगे जिंक टू कॉपर की तरफ मेटालिक वायर के थ्रू, एंड वो जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है कौन एक्सेप्ट करेगा, these electrons are accepted by Cu+2 ion from copper sulfate solution and get deposited at the electrode, और इलेक्ट्रोड पर जो है कॉपर जमा होगा. The reaction can be written as Cu+2 aqueous plus 2 electron, it is converted into that is copper solid, and here electrons are gained, so it is process of that is the reduction. So this is the reduction. Now if we write net cell reaction is the addition of this oxidation reaction and reduction reaction. So if we add this electron, previous reaction, see this reaction and this reaction, we have to add these two reactions. Now electron get cancelled. What remains on the left hand side, zinc solid is there, zinc solid, so we have written zinc solid. Now what is left hand side in this reaction, the Cu+2 ion, this electron and these electron they get cancelled, so it is converted into that is what is on the right hand side on previous reaction, this Zn+2 aqueous, these electron get cancelled, so that can be Zn+2, and what remains on the right hand side of this reduction reaction, that is only copper. So this is the net cell reaction, zinc solid plus that is Cu+2, it is converted into Zn+2 plus copper. So this is the net cell reaction of the Daniell cell. Now how this cell is represented, so see the diagram and how this cell is represented. First of all, that is we have to write according to rules. We have seen the rules, and by using these rules we that is represent the Daniell cell. आपको क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, represent the Daniell cell. Reaction is given. So first of all identify the that is negative electrode. नेगेटिव इलेक्ट्रोड कौन सा है इसमें, एनोड, और वो कहां पर लिखना है आपको, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, हियर ऑक्सीडेशन टेक्स प्लेस. तो सबसे पहले क्या लिखेंगे, जिंक, सो वी हैव रिटन दिस जिंक, एंड इट इज व्हाट इज इट स्टेट, इट इज इन सॉलिड स्टेट. अब ये जिंक किसके कांटेक्ट में है, दिस इज सॉलिड एंड दिस इज द लिक्विड, सो सॉलिड लिक्विड फेज इज डिनोटेड बाय राइटिंग सिंगल वर्टिकल लाइन. ये सिंगल वर्टिकल लाइन हमने लिखा है. सो जिंक रॉड किसमें डीप किया है, जिंक सल्फेट एक्वस, या जिंक सल्फेट के जगह आप Zn+2 भी लिख सकते हैं. रिमेंबर दैट, अंडरस्टैंड, दैट इज वी कैन राइट Zn+2 also. Now on right hand side, that is a cathode electrode, we have to write copper in contact with copper sulfate, and these two electrode are separated by using two vertical double line, that is the salt bridge. So this is the representation that I have written here, that is zinc in contact with Zn+2, and उस आयन का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन भी आपको लिखना है, रूल्स में दिया गया है. सो इट इज द 1 मोलर, यानी जिंक को जिंक सल्फेट में डीप किया है, कॉपर को कॉपर सल्फेट में डीप किया है, that is Cu in contact with Cu+2 and it is 1 molar, and these two electrode, anode and cathode, they are separated by using that is double vertical line, that is salt bridge, double vertical line. So this is the construction, working, cell reaction and representation of Daniell cell. Now next is and last observations during the experiment. Now at 298 degree Kelvin, the EMF of Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. So remember this 1.1 volt, it is important, that may be asked in the examination, that is the EMF of Daniell cell is dash dash. So the EMF of Daniell cell is 1.1 volt. Now when the concentration of zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution used are 1 molar each, and जिंक सल्फेट और कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन का जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है वो कितना है 1 मोलर. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन, दैट इज डैनियल सेल का जो ईएमएफ है कितना है 1.1 वोल्ट. रिमेंबर ऑब्जेक्टिव में आता है द ईएमएफ ऑफ डैनियल सेल इज डैश डैश, सो इट इज 1.1 वोल्ट. और द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ जिंक सल्फेट एंड कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन used in Daniell cell are dash dash, so it is the 1 molar solution. So at 298 degree Kelvin, the EMF of the Daniell cell is 1.1 volt when the concentration of zinc sulfate and copper sulfate solution used are 1 molar. Now second, during the operation of the cell, mass of copper rod increases due to deposition of copper at cathode and the concentration of Cu+2 ion decreases. यानी क्या होता है, कॉपर का यहाँ पे Cu+2 ion का रिडक्शन होता है, so they accept the electron and they are converted into copper. So every time Cu+2 ion they accept the electron and convert it into copper, and copper is deposited at the cathode, so it is converted into, that is the Cu, and concentration of Cu+2 ion decreases. This is the second, that is observation. And third and last, that is during the operation of the cell, mass of zinc rod decreases as zinc का क्या होता है, oxidation होता है. Every time zinc loses the electron, every time zinc loses the electron, and it is converted into Zn+2 ion. So due to tendency to undergo its oxidation form Zn+2 ion, as a result the concentration of Zn+2 ion increases, because every time that is zinc accept the electron, loses the electron and convert into Zn+2 ion, and concentration of Zn+2 ion increases. And the EMF of the cell depends upon temperature and concentration of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate solution. So remember these 2 points also, the EMF of cell depends upon temperature and concentration of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate solution. So 1 molar concentration of copper sulfate and zinc sulfate is used in Daniell cell. So this is in detail about the, that is electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. We will repeat in short, that is electrolytic cell. So a cell which convert electrical energy into chemical energy is called as electrolytic cell. And this is the construction of, that is the electrolytic cell. Very simple. It consists of a vessel containing, that is fused sodium chloride solution. 2 electrodes are deep in this fused sodium chloride solution. One is anode and another is, that is the cathode. Now after electrolysis, that is ions are produced in the solution, that is Na+ and Cl-. Now Na+, they attracted towards the opposite electrode, that is negative electrode here, that is the cathode, and reduction takes place at, that is cathode. So Na+ ion, they accept the electron and convert it into Na. At anode, that is oxidation takes place. Cl- ion, they lose the electron and convert it into Cl. Later on, Cl plus Cl, they are converted into Cl. So at anode, oxidation takes place. Simple construction. Second is, that is galvanic cell. It is also called as simple voltaic cell or electrochemical सेल. सो इसमें क्या होता है, केमिकल एनर्जी किस में कन्वर्ट होती है, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में. एग्जाम्पल डैनियल सेल. प्रिंसिपल, इट इज ए chemical cell which spontaneously convert chemical energy into electrical energy. This is the construction. It consists of, that is a 2 beaker, 2 vessel containing zinc sulfate or copper sulfate का solution है. Zinc rod deep in zinc sulfate solution, copper rod deep in copper sulfate solution, zinc act as anode, here oxidation takes place, copper act as cathode, here reduction takes place. These two electrodes are externally connected by using voltmeter and internally connected by using the salt bridge. Here, that is a zinc. Here at anode, oxidation takes place, that is zinc loses electron and it is converted into Zn+2 ion. While these electrons are transferred from, that is external circuit, and they can be gained by, that is Cu+2 ion. And at cathode, reduction takes place. So Cu+2 ion, they accept the electron and they are converted into, that is a Cu solid. And here reduction takes place. Net reaction, zinc solid plus Cu+2 aqueous, it gives Zn+2 aqueous plus copper. And this is the representation. Zinc in contact with Zn+2, and here concentration of zinc sulfate is 1 molar. Copper in contact with copper sulfate solution, Cu+2 ion, here concentration is 1 molar, and these two are connected by using, that is the salt bridge. And these are the observation of, that is Daniell cell. Its EMF is 1.1 volt, concentration of zinc sulfate and copper sulfate 1 molar, and these are the other observations of Daniell cell. So this is about the Daniell cell. Okay, if you have any difficulty, then ask. Then otherwise we